What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Anchorley Studios out here in South Coast Plaza, Irvine area. So a bunch of cool cars. As you can see, it's already getting packed with the homies. So I hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. Let's go check out some of the cool cars that are here. Starting off, sheesh. So clean. F80 M3 Secure Orange. F80 M3, this is actually paint, guys. This is not a wrap, this is paint. Isn't that crazy? Tiffany with the white wheels. So clean. Beautiful. And then we got the homie Nick's F80 M3, and then we got my E92 M3, brought it out today. Lambo Sammy, what's up?
What's up?
With all the homies. So we're gonna check out all the cool cars that are here. This meet is pretty cool. It gets packed, it gets popping, bunch of cool cars pull up. E46 M3, BMWs, JDM, supercars. As you can see, Sammy brought his 720S today. We got Enrique with the G80. Sheesh. That's clean. And then we got the Ferrari. That's freaking nice. Damn. F80 M3 on the TEs. Sheesh. M2. Damn, that looks clean. That's a nice M2 right there. Beautiful E90 M3 on the BBS. E92 M3. Super clean.
It's not him, it's a different guy.
Fast and Furious? Is that Dominic?
No. Yo, Suki.
That's a clean G80. Very nice. Actually, he was at the meet earlier, so that's
The kid driving it.
sick ass GT3 RS. That is so clean. Yeah, guys, this meet is super sick. There's a bunch of crazy builds that you'll probably trip out on, and then this whole parking lot is gonna get flooded. It's a sick meet though. We'll go through all of these cars and we'll check them out for you guys.
We got James in the building.
Shit is crazy.
We got Toyo Tires in the building.
Dude, they have the craziest cars here. It's insane. Wide body GTR. How aggressive that is. Guys, you'll see the craziest cars here. It's insane. Look how aggressive that diffuser is. Holy shit. Jeez. This is the one that they advertise on the flyer. Shit is insane. Ferrari. So sick. We got the Huracan STO, GT3, Carrera GTs. Sheesh. Rich. We got the homie Rod with his wide body Urus. Probably one of my favorite Uruses out there. Liberty Walk kit, looks super aggressive. It just done right. It looks so good. Got carbon fiber everywhere. Probably one of the hardest Uruses out there. It's so sick. And the best thing, look at the plate. Yeah, as you can see, you got all the wide bodies here. GTRs, Corvettes. It's pretty sick. You see all these wide bodies. Got the Lamborghini Huracan wide body Liberty Walk kit. Another Liberty Walk kit. Corvette Liberty Walk kit. It's cool because this one's matching my homies. It's pretty sick. Look at this one. Shit is wild. Yeah, a lot of cool builds. Super unique. See a lot of crazy cars over here. Fast and the Furious lineup. Check out the G82 guys with the carbon hood. Shit's sick. Carbon lip, HRE wheels, bucket seats with the cage back there. That's sick. That looks really good. This looks so freaking good.
The engine in the back.
Dude, that thing is sick. We got the Supra, we got the Porsches, Supra. Look how wide the Supra is. Holy. Man, that thing looks crazy. Damn. Vin Diesel. All over Nick. More GTRs. Bro. Damn, dude.
What's up, bro?
You'll be back soon. All the RWBs. Sick. Yeah, this is sick. Carbon up here, carbon on the vents, the emblem. That's a clean Ferrari right there. It looks good, satin black. Sick. Then we got the Ferrari FF, super underrated car. Sheesh. Oh my god. GT3, guys. That thing is so clean. The homie Louise, beautiful E92 M3 Jerez Black on the BBSs. Looks so good. Beautiful E30 M3. Man, that looks so good. The new Z, that's pretty slick. That's clean. Got the Martini livery on there. Blue Urus, that looks good. We got the Carbon-tastic E46 M3 wagon. We got the Tesla with the Lambo doors. Rich, big ballers. Damn, this F80 looks so clean. Wow. That's fire. Fitbit is on point. Clean M4 right there with the yellow headlights. Damn, that looks good. Got the big wing twinning, 2 purples. Sheesh, we got the Z Nismo. That's clean. E36 M3 British Racing Green. E36 M3 super clean. E36. The color is super nice. Sheesh, look at the wide body kit on this thing. Crazy. Man, crazy ass GTRs. We got the Subaru with a crazy livery on it. Pretty sick. Sheesh. We got the R8. That thing is nice, bro. We have the brand new M2. Okay. We got the other homie with this E36 Dakar yellow. Super clean. That's a clean F80 right there. That's a nice F80 right there. Super clean. E36 M3. It's very nice. Oh my. Damn, that's hard. That's a clean M8 right there. It's like a purple color too. Shit's fire. Wow. Damn, look at that thing. Jeez. It's a clean G80 right there. Got a G82 with the bucket seats. Very nice. That's sick. I got the Lamborghini, the Huracan Evo. That's clean. McLaren 570S. Wide body Acura NSX. This looks really good. This looks super fire. Beautiful. We got the McLarens lined up. Sheesh. Shit's sick. Dude, look at this. Oh my. Carbon fiber? That's crazy. We got the blue carbon fiber. Damn. Rich, big ballers. We got the STO from VF Engineering with the carbon wheels. That is insane. Can't get any crazier than that, guys. We got the wide body E46 M3. It's pretty sick. We got the F90 M5. It's pretty sick. We got the orange GTR. That's pretty sick. Look at that. AMG GTR. That is fire. The homie Anthro Supra. I haven't never seen it in person, but it looks freaking clean. Sick ass color, like a kind of like a greenish color. Super clean. What's up, bro? Fire. Can you believe this is paint, guys? It's just crazy. That is insane. For being paint, it's wild. Can't believe it's paint, bro. That's just crazy. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.